Ooh. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ozzy, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. And today we're doing another unboxing video, and we're unboxing the i12s. Just got these in a couple days ago. Been waiting to do the unboxing for you guys. I'm excited. So let's get into it. La la la.
Do 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 do. Ozzy's tech and stuff, yeah.
Alright guys, we're back, and here I have the i12s, the TWS i12s. These are supposed to be, one-to-one, the closest they've ever gotten to the Apple official AirPods. So these are supposed to improve. I have, just to compare, I have the i10s here, which I love. If you've seen that review video, you'll see why I love these. And there is some things that I would have improved on these that hopefully these improve on as well. So here's the case. It's very minimal. There you got the AirPods, charging case, made in China. Nothing else really special. Before we dive into the box, I'm going to show you what's new from these earphones or earbuds. Here we go. This is from the Nokis.com website. So we got new upgraded battery, up to 4 hours playback, ability to use each earbud independently, which if you saw my review of the i10, you know that was a big knock on them. But you know, they seem to have fixed this issue on the i12s. Reset button on the case, HD noise reducing microphone, noise canceling, call quality drastically improved touch controls, improved auto pairing and charging, one-to-one charging case. So if you know this one, the i10s, I love it, but it's not one-to-one. To me, it's not a big deal. It's got the LED lights and it's got this different like hinge here. It's not a big deal to me, but for some, they might want the exact replica. The i12s is supposed to have that. And we got lightning charge port, which to me, I don't, as you can see, this is a Samsung phone. I don't own an iPhone, so I have USB Type-C cables to spare. So I like that feature. I don't notice that it didn't say anything about wireless charging. They might have taken that out. So you see model i12s TWS, 2 earbuds. What's in the box? 2 earbuds, charging case, instruction manual. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into the box and see what's in here. Let me get my knife really quick. Make sure I don't slice my fingers off. And that should be it. Let's fold it neatly. And here we go. Here's the box. Let's see if we can open this one, or is this one going to give me some trouble too? So I already hear some rattling in there. Doesn't feel too premium. Let's see. It's stuck. And I'm doing this behind the camera too, so it's a little difficult. Alright, here we go. Did I shake the camera? Yes, I did. Alright. Let's open this. Oh, it's got a little tape on it, that's why. Okay, so here are the earbuds, or the charging case itself. I could already tell. That's a lot. That's very nice. Alright. Let's move this to the side over here. Move this stuff over here. Take this out. Okay, we got the lightning cable. That's light. Let's see if it focuses on it. Lightning cable. Alright, USB lightning cable. The instruction manual. Does that say Air Blue X? Okay. So instruction manual, and that's it. So let's go ahead and put this to the side really quick. So let's get to the what you guys came here to see. Oh, so that's got that, and then it's got this plastic over it. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off of it. And that is a lot closer to the Apple AirPods. Check that out. Got the reset button here. Notice the Apple AirPods has the writing here. It says made in California. You know, official Apple. This one does not. Let's put this to the side. Let's put all this to the side. All right. So here we have the i12s. Now this clamp feels a lot better than the i10s already. 100%. Are these magnetic? Yes, they are. They are not coming out. All right. So we got the, again, like I said, we got the pair button. And here's, so just to compare, here is the i10s and the newly released i12s. All right, side by side. They're pretty similar. This one seems to be a little bit more like a darker white. So you can tell here, I don't know if you can tell by the video, this one's a little bit darker white, this one's a little bit whiter white, if that makes sense. Let's put them side to side. Top and bottom. And of course, this port is going to be a lot smaller because it's lightning. And this one is type C, so it's going to be a little bit bigger. So if you're going for a very, you know, stealth mode, very like nobody can tell if this is Apple unless you're really into Apple products, then this might be, just off of looks itself, this might be your best bet. This one, I like it because I really like these LED lights. These LED lights, the i10s, they tell me when it's charging. So I take them out, it's probably paired to my phone now. I put them back in, lights come on that it's charging. This will focus. There you go. So the LED lights turn on when they're charging. Let's do the left one. Put them back in. Boom, the left one. So the top two is the left, the bottom two is the right, and it lets you know that it's charging. This one does not have that. So I'm assuming that it'll tell you on the software. These have the software too to tell you how much battery's on the earbuds, but they don't tell you if it's charging. So hopefully this has some sort of you know, software built into it saying that if it's charging or not. So let's just go ahead and take the earbud out. Oh, look at that. Why, guys? Why did you do it? TWS, why? You guys had it. The i10s did not have an LED light. Well, on the earbuds themselves. You take them out, no LED. If it would focus. No LED whatsoever. This one has the LED like the i9s. Which it might not be a big deal, but to me it's a big deal. I don't want these flashing all over the place when I'm trying to connect them. So that is already a major negative for me. But let's just go ahead and take a look at the earbuds themselves. They're pretty similar. They both got these black spots here, this dot here. Let's turn them on to this other side. Yeah, I'm trying to look under the camera and not actually at the camera. Yeah, they both look very similar. Very similar. Now, if you can, I don't know if you can tell there, but the i12s is slightly smaller. Like very slightly smaller. Let me try to align them. Very slightly. It's barely noticeable, but that is a major plus. If they can get more battery off of this one and make it smaller, this stick here, if they can put more battery and make it smaller than this one, that's a major plus. So, you know, not bad as far as looks. Not bad at all. You know, it's not a big difference. If you saw my i7 review, you notice that they made a big jump from that horrible gigantic mess to these right here. So that's pretty good. Let me put these back in the case. This is the i10. Actually, do they fit in the i10? Oh, that would be this one. No, they do not. They don't fit in the i10 case. You won't be able to do that. So let's put them back here. I just activated Google Assistant on my phone by holding on to these earbuds. So let's go ahead and they're still searching. It's still searching. So let's go ahead and pair them and see what's going on. So don't know if you guys can see them. They're blinking. Let me see if I can pair them up real quick. Give me 1 second. So they show up as, I'm getting multiple. Air Blue X is what they're showing up as. Again, these are the i12s from, I bought them off of Nokie's. Nokie's did not send me these for free or anything like that. I'm not even close to getting to that level yet. I had to purchase these myself with my own money. But I got these off of Nokie's. And I'm noticing that on my i9s and my i10s, there was a lot of conflicting comments on those saying, hey, mine's have LED, or mine's the right one only works, or mine's I can use them independently. And mine's, you know, I had different outcomes on my i10s. So you might get a version of these, I'm not promising anything, you might get a version of these where there's no LED, or they're called something else when you try to pair them. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to pair them and see if they pair. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. The left one paired, it looks like. Let's try this one, see what happens. I don't know if you can see them there. Yeah, so they both stopped blinking. So just to confirm here, I don't know if you can see them. Once they are paired, I don't see an LED light, which is very good. If they have a constant blink even when paired, that is no bueno. So you guys see, there's no LED flashing lights on these. No LED lights. All right. So let me just put one in. Actually, these are bigger. These fit different than the i10s. These are actually bigger than the i10. Let me play something really quick just to get my bearings on the music. Only audio is coming out of the left earbud, so I think I have to figure it out. I might be talking a little loud because the music is in my ear. Let's try the touch feature. Touch sensitive is working. Okay, so only audio is coming out of the left one. I gotta figure it out, but there is audio coming. There is audio output. I just gotta figure out why it's only coming out on the left one. So, and yeah, like I mentioned before, for some reason they fit a little different than the i10s. And let me see. Does the left one look bigger to you guys? Just off of the initial, it feels a little bit different in my ears. I think the left one is, these are the i12s, this is the i10. I think the i12s are bigger because they fit different. And try again. Yeah, the i10s just fit snug in my ear, and the i12s are a little bit bigger. Well, let's see. So I'm gonna have to test these out, and hopefully in a week or so I can give you guys a in-depth review of the i12s. That was just a quick unboxing, really quick unboxing. And actually, I'm gonna test out, before we go, I'm gonna test out the USB lightning port to see if it fits properly. All right, really quick. This video's getting a little long, but here we go. All right, lightning port is in. Lightning port is in. It fits. All right, let's put these bad boys back in. And as you can tell, there is a red LED showing you that it's being charged. Oh, and the music played. Somehow they're in the earbuds, they're in the case, and the music was playing. Alright, focus, focus, focus. There we go. Alright, you can tell, red LED. Actually, they have a red, they have an LED right there, blinking. Alright, showing you it's being charged. Okay, nice. I like that. Why did you guys do this, TWS or whoever makes these? Why? It would have been so cool if you didn't have the LEDs and just had that flashing green one. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and use them for a week or so and give you guys a in-depth review, the best review I possibly can. But so far they look nice. Now, do they play nice? That'll be the question. Until the next video, guys, peace.